Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. So once you have logged into your Facebook account and then go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Now go to the settings and privacy, click on settings. Now on the left panel, click on the account center. Now under the account settings, click on the password and security. Now go to the two-factor authentication. Now select your Facebook account. Now you need to verify your Facebook email. Click on continue. Now you can choose authentication option. You can choose text message, you can choose security key. So I am gonna choose authentication app and then click on next. Now you can copy the key or you can scan QR code. So now you need to install Google Authenticator app to your mobile. So after that, just scan the QR code and then click on next. Now enter the code from your Authenticator app and then click on next. And that's how you can enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.